this is the old Sedona Ranger Station residence where the ranger lived a long time ago. It's all closed up now, and we're going to come back and take a look here. There's another sign up at the top there. I don't know if we're allowed to walk up there because I see the floors coming apart there, so I don't want to walk up there. I think they try to block it off. Yeah, there it is, the Ranger Station residence where the ranger used to live a long time ago. And this grass, it's like walking on a carpet here. Oh, this is like beautiful here. It's the nicest grass I've ever seen out here. I don't know where the sprinkler system is, but it's got to be around here somewhere. I don't see it though, but it's beautiful. But there it is, and in back of me, I'm guessing this might have been the stables for the animals for the ranger. I'm going to go over and look at that sign there in a second here, so let's take a walk over there. Well, there it is. Can't get any closer because of the rocks here, but United States Forest Service barn built by the Civilian Conservation Corps in 1934 and typifies the architectural style of that era. It originally housed Forest Service livestock feed and tackle. It was later modified for office and storage facility, the Sedona Ranger Station barn. There it is. We're going to walk around, take a look at that. All right. Well, there's the barn they were just talking about. We're going to walk around to the other side here so we can get a view of it here. Built in 1934, see, so still holding up pretty good. There's the plaque that we saw earlier. Shadow Man making a visit here. So yeah, here's the back side of it. What we can see inside, it's just empty inside there now. There's nothing in there. It's pretty much empty. All the doors are locked here, but you can see there would have been stables and different things here. So as we come back out, yeah, try to walk backwards here, not that easy, but yeah, you can see the whole thing on both sides. And yeah, there it is. And then the ranger lived right there, and they're very convenient. Just come out here, get the animals out here, trot them out, and go do your business in the park here area. Okay. Well, here's a little sculpture. Well, it's not little. Sign says Stormy Bay, and not Stormy Boy, but Stormy Bay. It's only made a nice sculpture right by the old historic ranger residence and the stables and whatnot over there. So there it is up there. Yeah, nice little thing there. Pretty neat. We got Shadow Man down there. He's making his appearance known. Shadow Man lives. All right.